मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड ने मुझे बोला था, मासूम, let's have a threesome. Let's get another girl. All three of us will have sex. I was like, yuck, I don't want to do it. Not because I don't want to have sex with two different women. That will be insane. That will be the best. I just didn't want to do it with her. Because I know at some point in that middle of the threesome, she'll get on top of me, she'll try riding me. And I won't be able to tell her, अबे हट ना, ये तो अपन कल भी कर ही सकते हैं. Please, side auto. Hello, hi, sound check, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can you make it a little loud?
I want you guys to be nice and warm. With a big round of applause, let's welcome on stage. Give it up for Masoom Rajwani.
Masoom Rajwani.
Masoom Rajwani. As a dude, you just learn a lot of wrong things about women and sex. And the time I spent unlearning was the same time you women spent learning about your kinks and fantasies. So now it is very confusing. Now when I am like, you shouldn't shame women for having sex, you women are like, call me a whore when we have sex. And I'm like, hey, गलत रहता है. She's like, hey, लौड़े बोलना थोड़ा सा. I don't want to say it. If I call you a whore and you like it, the next time I might mean it a little, and I don't want to be there. You know how you call someone baby, sweetheart, pumpkin, sunshine, eventually you fall for that person. I don't want to have that equation with this word. My worry is, what if one day we end up fighting and I'm like, क्या बोली रंडी साली? I just don't want to be there. How do you women know how the male brain works? You have no idea the kind of shit that goes on over here. There are women who enjoy getting hit sexually. But just because you enjoy getting hit sexually, how do you know the person hitting you is also hitting you sexually? You are like, slap me, punish me, treat me like a dirty little slut. What if that man is like, क्या बोली थी मेरे से ज़्यादा कमाती है? Haven't we fucked up enough? And the only thing worse than telling a woman you achieve this because of your gender, you have it easy because you're a woman, the only thing more hurtful than that is telling a woman you don't arch your back while doing doggy style. I don't know why it hurts them a little more. Go try it. The next time you're having sex, just be like, hey, this is not doggy, you look like a camel right now. She'll fucking walk away, man. It's true. Next time you're having doggy style sex, just be like, मैं उधर देखो, मेरे को लगा कोई डरी हुई बिल्ली है. And it ends right there. She walks away. Why is it called doggy style? Shouldn't it be called dog style? Who tried to make that cute? उधर doggy बोलने का कौन try किया है? Dude, that's like if I see a man harass a woman and I'm like, oh, देखो touchy touchy भाग के जा रहा है. Is that how you? Isn't it a little creepy? Dude, I've realized after having sex that the sex that they show in porn and the sex that you have is very different. I've had a threesome and it was not like what they showed in porn. 2 guys, 1 girl, we were having sex. In porn, they are just having sex 20 minutes, 30 minutes, they're having sex. That's not the threesome I had. The threesome I had was 1 guy finished and I was still having sex. So it was just me having sex और एक नंगा आदमी बीच में आके पूछ रहा है, ये प्रगति फ्रिज में ठंडा पानी है क्या? बताना लाइट का बर्तन किधर है? While I'm still trying to fuck. That's what they don't tell you, man. Like I had sex and that's how I learned things. I realized that you need breathing technique to go down on a woman. Yeah, you have to go down then come up, then go down again. It's like underwater swimming. एक बार मेरी ex ने मेरा बाल पकड़ लिया, I'm like, डूब रहा हूँ, please, मत कर. Also, don't be all weirded out that I fucking eat ass. तुम लोग मेरी माँ जैसा behave कर रहे हो. I really wonder how will she react if she figures out I eat ass. She'll be like, घर पे भिंडी नहीं खाता, बाहर जाके ये सब खाता है. I wish I could make her understand this is not how kinks work. The fact that I can't do this in public, that's why I do them in private. And someone accepts my dirty and nasty makes me feel vulnerable, intimate around them. That's how kinks work. I'm not an idiot जो रास्ते पे लोगों की गांड देख के सोच रहा है क्या मजा आएगा पता है. That's not how eating ass works. राइट विंग हैज अ बिग प्रॉब्लम विद सेक्स एजुकेशन। दे लाइक बट सेक्स एजुकेशन में सिखाओ, बच्चे लोग और सेक्स करेंगे। कोई तो उन लोगों को जाके बोला सेक्स एजुकेशन से कॉन्डम मिलना इजी हुआ है, सेक्स मिलना अभी भी उतना ही डिफिकल्ट है। Nobody is telling them this. They think pussy just starts flying towards you as soon as the class ends. You get out of the class and you're like, familiar, yes, sex. How am I getting laid after this? सिखानी नहीं दे। Dude, they think sex ed is taught the way other subjects are taught. History teacher के साथ आके बोलती थी, मेरे दादाजी जी को पहचानते थे। They think that's how sex ed is taught. Just a teacher will walk in and be like, क्या चौदह मेरे पति ने बताया? क्या प्रॉब्लम है सेक्स एड से? I've realized there is no sex ed in India. It's a big problem because I had to fucking learn from the internet. What a big... I saw too much porn. 15 years every day, sometimes 2-3 times a day. मैंने इतना porn देख लिया कि अभी मुझे सिर्फ देखना पसंद है। मैं किसी औरत को गलत नजर से नहीं देखता हूँ, पर अगर एक आदमी एक औरत को गलत नजर से देख रहा है तो मैं उन दोनों को गलत नजर से जरूर देखता हूँ। I watched porn way before I was taught reproductive organs. So when I was being taught reproductive organ, मैं देख के सोच रहा हूँ, the diagram of a penis is exactly how the penis looks. But the diagram of a vagina is not how the vagina looks. The diagram is some triangle thing. मेरे को पहले लगा अंडरवेयर बना और इसके पीछे रहता रहेगा, बिकॉज ये सब देखना अलाउड नहीं है। मैं टीचर को जाके बोल रहा हूँ, नहीं ऐसा देखा है मैंने वीडियो में, आप नीचे देखो आपका ऐसा है क्या? क्या सिखा रहे हो? They don't teach you shit. I once wanted to be a male prostitute, just like every other boy over here. It's just that's how differently men and women look at prostitution. When women come to know about prostitution, they are like ये गलत है, किसी के साथ नहीं होना चाहिए। मैं जॉब करके कमाऊंगी, नहीं हुआ तो मैं रईस घर में शादी कर लूंगा, पर मैं कभी भी prostitution नहीं करूंगा। When men come to know about male prostitution, all of us are like sex और इसके लिए पैसा कहाँ पे हो रहा है? That's how our outlook was. We were like, मैं पहले रंडवा बनूंगा, नहीं हुआ तो अमीर घर में शादी करूंगा, वो भी नहीं हुआ तो बहनचोद कर लूंगा यार जॉब में। I wanted to be a male prostitute. I'm not a male prostitute, but I'm not a male prostitute out of choice. I'm not a male prostitute out of rejection. Do you get it? Which hurts more. Like the outcome is the same, but the journey is, which is what hurts more. Nobody looked at me and was like, "Hey, kitne ki milegi?" That's what I really wanted in life. That's how you learn things, by overthinking and depending on the internet. Those are the only two ways you can learn about sex in India. I overthink. A lot. There used to be a girl who I used to date जो NGO में काम करती थी. Every time we were making out, she used to undo my pants. मेरे दिमाग में एक ही थॉट आता था कि कल ये यही हाथ से गरीब बच्चों को इडली देने वाली है। यही हाथ से मतलब हाथ धो के देगी. It is not like ये लो मसाला इडली खाओ. That is not what is happening. I know I should go to therapy. I just don't know what to do in therapy. I'm a dude. As a dude, I can't be vulnerable around other men and I can't stop impressing women. What do I do in therapy? मेरे को therapist पूछ रही है, so tell me about your problems. I'm like, एक beer पे discuss करें. I've just been raised wrong, man. The first time I had sex, my mind was blown. I was like, fuck, vagina बहुत पीछे रहता है. It's not where the dick is, it's fucking under. And when you have doggy style sex, it magically goes ahead. She's like, wrong hole, wrong hole. I'm like, अभी तो पीछे था, आगे कैसे चले गया यार? I really want a woman to stand like this so that I can check. I like having sex with fat women. It's just like, there's always thrill, you know? I remember once I was having sex with a chubby girl. We were doing doggy style. I tried reaching for her boob. मैं 2 मिनट तक उसका पेट दबा रहा था. There's suspense, you know? I was like, fuck, इसका निप्पल अंदर कहीं के लिए जा रहा है मेरा? I'm telling you, I have no clue what I do when I have sex. Like, I know how to make a woman come, but I don't know what I do to make her come. I'm like a magician जो खुद ही ट्रिक करता है और खुद ही सरप्राइज हो जाता है. Fuck, वापस हो गया. I cannot believe, man. She's
she's like, keep going, keep going. I don't know what I was doing. मैं नीचे जाके सोच रहा था भाई बीजेपी को तो यूपी में बहुत सीट मिलने वाला है. I had zoned out. Anytime I have sex with a really pretty woman, I finish very quickly. Not because I'm too turned on. I'm just like जल्दी जल्दी खत्म करते हैं before she realizes this is a mistake. Because at some point she'll figure out. Whenever I have sex with a girl, I just give her 1,000 rupees. Not because of demeaning reasons. I'm like रख तेरे therapy के काम आएगा. I will fuck up. I know somewhere I will fuck up.
See, I agree if you have sex with me, we both should have an orgasm. But our grandfathers did not have sex this way. They had sex the way kids give exams in school. They are like, मेरा हो गया मैं निकल रहा हूँ. That's how most of our grandfathers fuck. जाओ, dude, you women right now are living in an age where you get to sexually express and liberate yourself. जाके दादी को पूछो. दादी बताओ क्लिटोरिस किधर है? She'll be like, वो तो पार्टीशन के टाइम पे पाकिस्तान में ही छोड़ा है. She has no answer, man. She thinks एक डब्बे के अंदर बंद करके रखते हैं.
Men keep their eyes closed and think of horrible things while having sex to last longer in bed. You get it? Women keep their eyes open because that horrible thing is on top of them. Looking back at them. You have sex, that's how you learn things. Like I've realized that there's a big communication gap when you have sex. Women say, hey, I'm close. And your close and my close is very different. You get it? When they say they're close, I'm like, हो गया. और 4 मिनट, 5 मिनट, 8 मिनट, I'm like, इतने में 2 मेट्रो आके निकल जाता है. How have you not finished? You know how my close is? I'm close. हो गया मेरा. Your close, my close, very different close. My close is closer to close. I now know what queefing is. Do you guys know what queefing is? Queefing is when you're having sex and air comes out of vagina. Now you know. That's called queefing. I once asked this at a show. Do you know what it's called when air comes out of vagina? One dude said ventilation. I was like, I really don't want to know what you think cross ventilation means. Right now we know queefing. 2-3 generations ago they did not know what this was. Can you imagine arranged marriage, first night, they're having sex. The woman queefs. And the man is like, "Chhi, gandi pehera." I feel worse for the woman who queefed. The man heard that and he was like, "Fuck, इसने कर दिया, अभी मैं भी कर सकता हूँ." And he just fucking rips one out. There had to be one guy. Probably your grandfather. It had to be one of our grandfathers. Do you guys know what a safe word is? It's when you're having sex and you want to say no without saying no. You know how our mom used to say, "Shh, bacche jaag jayenge." And our dad never heard. That's safe word. That's how most of us are born, by the way. Don't be like, पापा नहीं करेंगे. पापा अभी ये मर्द 50 साल से, please याद रखो. Safe word is when you're having sex, you want to say no without saying no. I wasn't aware of this. My ex taught me this concept. Then we had a safe word. Anytime we did doggy style sex and she didn't arch her back properly, where she didn't look like a doggy, she looked like a camel. Our safe word was harr. She chose it, guys, not me. It was her choice. A strong, independent working woman decided this shit. Thank you for listening, man.
Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening.
My name is Masoom Rajwani.
Your jokes are also good, but I don't know if the quality of the video is better than this.
Yes, that's my biggest irritation.